Mahindra recently concluded its annual analyst meet for 2021. In the meeting, the company announced the upcoming SUV portfolio for the Indian market as well as international market. Mahindra will launch 9 new SUVs in the next 6 years. Interestingly, the company has announced that 6 out of the 9 SUVs will feature electrification. This includes the next in-line XUV700, and then come the SUVs codenamed W620, V201 and the next gen XUV300, Born EV1 and Born EV2. The Born EV1 and the Born EV2 will be introduced as electric SUVs at the time of the launch sometime in 2026. However, remaining models such as the XUV700, W620, V201 and the new XUV300 will all also feature some form of electrification. This could include mild hybrid or plug-in hybrid powertrains, which again will be revealed at the time of launch. The launch proceedings of the massive SUV lineup will begin with the arrival of the XUV700 by the end of this year. The XUV700 will be replacing the XUV500 in the brand's lineup. The new SUV will feature modern technology and equipment, including semi-autonomous driver assistance systems. The company will be offering the XUV700 with a host of powertrain options. This includes a petrol and most likely a couple of diesel engines. The transmission options will include both manual and automatic, along with 4-wheel drive hardware as well. Following the launch of the XUV700 will be the launch of the all-new Mahindra Scorpio. The company is currently testing the upcoming SUV and is scheduled to launch it early next year. The new generation Scorpio will feature a bigger footprint than the outgoing model. The new Scorpio will feature a completely new design inside and out. The interiors of the new Scorpio will ooze premium appeal. Changes will be made under the hood as well. The 2022 Scorpio is expected to receive petrol and diesel powertrains similar to the ones seen on the new Mahindra Thar. Mahindra has also announced that the 5-door version of the Thar will be launched sometime in 2023. The 5-door version of the off-road SUV will most likely borrow all its features from the 3-door version, including the powertrain options. However, we expect the 5-door to be sold with a hard top only. The brand's popular workhorse SUV, the Bolero, will also be getting an update from the company sometime in 2025. It is expected to undergo a complete design and features revision along with possible changes made to the ladder on frame platform. The details regarding the changes on the all-new Bolero are scarce at the moment. Moving on, the W620, V201 and the all-new XUV300 are all scheduled to launch sometime between 2024 and 2026. All these products are part of the brand's monocoque construction lineup. The W620 will be the new SUV coupe from the brand and is expected to be based on the XUV700. The V201 on the other hand could be the XUV500 launched in a new avatar to rival the Hyundai Creta. The XUV300 is currently placed in the highly competitive compact SUV segment in the Indian market. The company will be launching a new generation model in a couple of years. However, we can expect a mild facelift sometime next year, which will help it compete against new arrivals in the segment. Lastly, the Born EV1 and Born EV2 SUVs will not be spawned by the internal combustion engine model lineup. Instead, as the name suggests, they will be introduced as pure EVs and are specifically designed to suit the characteristics of an electric SUV. Both the Born EV1 and EV2 are scheduled to arrive sometime in 2025. Ahead of the arrival of the EV1 and EV2 electrified SUVs, we can expect Mahindra to launch the eKUV100 and eXUV300 electric vehicles that are spawned from its ICE counterparts. Both models are scheduled to arrive sometime next year. Thank you for watching DriveSpark. Like, share and subscribe to stay in the know of the latest happenings in the auto industry.